Welcome back, developers. If you're working with APIs, whether it's building, testing, or documenting them, you need a powerful tool to make your life easier. That tool is Postman. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download and install Postman on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's get started. Postman is a free, feature-rich application that simplifies every aspect of API development. The best part, it's available as a native app for all major desktop operating systems. The safest and most reliable way to get Postman is directly from the official website. We want to avoid third-party download sites. Step 1. Open your web browser. Step 2. In the address bar, go to the official Postman download page. You can search for Download Postman on Google, but the direct URL is www.postman.com/downloads. Here you are on the official downloads page. Postman's website is smart. It will usually detect your operating system automatically and show a prominent download button for it. If it doesn't detect your OS automatically, or if you need a different version, you can manually select it. For Windows, click the Windows icon. For Mac OS, select the Mac icon. You'll have a choice between Intel chip and Apple Silicon. Pick the one that matches your Mac. For Linux, choose the Linux icon. You can download the package for your specific distribution like .rgs or a snap package. Since I'm on Windows, I'll click the Download for Windows button. The download for the native app will start immediately. The installation process is incredibly simple and similar across all platforms. Locate the downloaded .exe file and double-click to run it. The file is usually in your Downloads folder. The installer will open and unpack the necessary files. This is fully automatic. There's no complex wizard. That's it. Postman will launch itself automatically once the installation is complete. No confusing steps, no next, finish. It's a seamless, modern installation experience. When you open Postman for the first time, you'll be prompted to create an account or sign in. I highly recommend creating a free Postman account. This allows you to sync your API collections, environments, and history across all your devices. It's a game changer for productivity. And that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, you've installed one of the most powerful API tools available, and you're ready to start building. Postman is an important tool that helps in developing and testing out the APIs. We will be using it frequently in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for the more interesting and exciting stuff in software development. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.